Welcome back and welcome if you're new to the channel. My name is Just September Digital. Here I talk about content creation and online business. If you want to make $1,000 online working from home, please watch this video till the end. All you need to take advantage of this opportunity is an internet connection. You can use your phone or laptop. It's up to you, okay? The first step we're going to take is to go straight to our web browser and type in CourseHero.com. Let's go. As you can see, the first thing you're going to see, it says get homework help answered in as fast as 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so what you will be doing here, you will be helping students with their homeworks. This is CourseHero.com. Let's scroll down a little bit, make every study our account, access 100 million course specific study materials. So what you will be doing, you will be contributing to this platform, helping students finish their homeworks and answer student questions. Okay, obviously you will get paid based on how much you work. Okay, you will get paid based on how much you work. There are no guarantees, but let's look at this information right here. It says 24/7 homework help. Okay, so for the tutors, this means you can be able to contribute to the platform anytime. There is no set schedule where you have to be at your computer or phone at a certain time. Anytime. Okay, great. So get step-by-step answers from expert tutors. As you can see, get personalized help. Okay, so these are step-by-step explanations. We'll break it down to you. Fast answers, we'll get back to you. Okay, so the purpose of the platform is providing resources to students, obviously, and tutors like you can contribute to the platform by assisting the students. Okay, great stuff. So what you're going to do now, you're going to go to the three dots over here for educators. Let's close this. We're going to click and free access. Great stuff. Okay. Scroll up. Okay. You can select become a tutor. Great stuff. Here you can see earn money as an online tutor, leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 20 million students. Right. Let's scroll down. Okay, you can make up to $1,005, which is probably 20,000 rand in South African rands. So the amount written represents monthly earnings of top tier tutors. Actual earnings may vary depending on number of questions answered, subject, category, questions, difficulty, answers, quality, and other factors. Okay, before you log off this video, please be patient and watch till the end, because I will be explaining how you get in. Okay, great. Let's scroll down. As a tutor with the Course Hero, you can make extra money. Top tutors can earn, okay, like they said, work when you want, okay, which is my favorite, tutor online in time, which is computer and internet connection, or help students study and learn. Share your expertise with college students to help them study. Okay, and here's the beauty. You do not need a degree to contribute here. Okay, your first year, your second year experience can help someone. Okay, I always believe that if you are on step 1, there is someone on step 0 that can benefit from what you know. Okay, so now let's go. How do you get in? All right, applying to be a tutor is easier. So first thing, you're going to create your Course Hero tutor account. Great. Provide basic info and select your tutoring questions. Upload your ID and academic credentials. Please don't be intimidated. You just click info for more and you will be able to see what do they want from you. So for this, you can use your school transcript, whatever document you have that proves that you do have some information on whatever topic you want to cover, and then you will get approved within 7 days and start tutoring. Okay, so the only thing that's left is to hit your create tutor account. Great. Okay, these are examples of topics and subjects, right? examples of tutor answers for these top subjects. You might be in your first year, your second year, and you're wondering, what can I do online? This is for you. You can be able to contribute in the subject of your choice. So this is a great opportunity to earn money online without having fancy degrees or work experience. I feel like this is just an amazing opportunity for people to start earning that extra money online. Okay, we know times are tough right now. Okay, any opportunity you can use, test it out, man. I'm sure there's 1 or 2 people watching this video or even more that are like, oh, this is my thing. I've been looking for this. I've been looking for this. Okay, great stuff. So I will be doing more videos like this on how to make money online, also content creation tips. My name is Sir September Digital. Please consider subscribing to the channel so that we get to stay connected and continue to grow together and share ways to make money online. That's it for me, and I'm out.